Greetings of the day. I, Chavi Gupta, welcome you all in today's session. This is a revision class for class ninth, discussing about some of the topics that is cell and the osmosis. So first we will start with the osmosis process. It's just a video which is being shown to you so that you can recapitulate over here. Now this is a cell. Now, what is osmosis? The movement of water molecule. See, the water molecule is your solvent over here. So, in osmosis, the solvent travels. The movement of water molecules through a selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane is your plasma membrane from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. This is your osmosis. Now, the student has bought a fish tank. Now the fish says that she is hungry. These are the raisins to understood the concept of osmosis. Now what the boy has done, he put some raisins in the water. See what happens with the raisins. As the fish is hungry, she is coming to eat the raisins. Now what the raisins are doing, that they are drinking the water content, and see the change in the shape of the raisins. The raisins are getting swollen up. See, both the raisins have drank some of water and they will swell up. So this is known as a hypertonic solution. See, raisins swell indicating that they have absorbed water. Now what it explains, that there was low water concentration inside the raisins. Raisins के अंदर water की concentration कम थी. So they drink lots of water, and when they drink lots of water they get swelled up. Now after what happens? As a result they absorbed water and swelled up. Now, such a solution where there is a high concentration of water outside the cell is called hypertonic solution. A solution where there is a higher water concentration means बाहर surrounding में water concentration ज़्यादा है as compared to your cell, and the cell over here is your resins. So resins के comparison में आपका water concentration बाहर है, so that's why it is known as hypertonic solution. Now next what will happen, see. Now resins are not liked by the fish. Now the boy is placing the raisins in sugar syrup. See what will happen when the raisins are put in sugar syrup. Now अब रेजिन्स शुगर सिरप में क्या है, आपका वाटर की कंसनट्रेशन रेजिन्स के अंदर ज़्यादा एज कम्पेयर टू शुगर सिरप. ओके, मीन शुगर सिरप में वाटर की कंसनट्रेशन कम है एज कम्पेयर टू योर रेजिन्स. तो व्हाट इट विल डू दैट, वाटर की कंसनट्रेशन ज़्यादा कहाँ पर है, रेजिन्स में. तो रेजिन्स क्या करेंगे, वाटर को लूज करेंगे. जब वाटर लूज करेंगे तो उनकी सेल श्रिंक हो जाएगी. सो इट इज़ नोन एज हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन. See, water passes out from the raisins to the sugar syrup. Now, here the raisins shrink because water from the raisins moved out. Now, such a solution where there is a low water concentration outside the cell. सेल क्या है यहाँ पे, शुगर सेल आपका रेजिन्स है. आउटसाइड द सेल क्या है आपका, शुगर सिरप. सो इट इज कॉल्ड हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन. Now the last solution is your isotonic solution, in which there will be no change in the shape of the cell. Means no water is being gained and no water is moved out. After an hour, see, some resins swelled up. Okay, for sale है. Now you have seen what are the hypertonic solution, hypertonic solution. In isotonic solution there will be no change in the shape of the resins. Now we will look forward for the structure of animal cell and its function. Now let's have a look on the animal cell. Now it is a thief chased by the police. Now here the thief is running because he was chased by the police. So he reached the cell. Now see, this is a cell. Now the animal cell is surrounded by a semi-permeable membrane called cell membrane. In animal cell it is a cell membrane which is you call as plasma membrane, and in plant cell we have cell wall as the outermost covering. We know that the cell membrane allow the entry of some of the materials and exit of some of the materials. It does not allow any all the materials to come and go out of the cell. Now you can see the water is going inside the cell because because see the cell membrane allows only specific materials to move in. अंदर कौन गया है यहाँ पे वाटर, बाहर कौन आ रहा है CO2. इट मीन्स कि कुछ ही स्पेसिफिक मटेरियल्स को अंदर बाहर आने की परमिशन दे रहा है. Here the thief gets a shock because cell does not allow the boy to go inside the cell. If the cell allows him, मतलब अगर सेल परमिशन देगा तो ही बॉय थीफ अंदर जा पाएगा. See, humans are not allowed. अब उसने अपनी सारी कंडीशंस बताई कि मेरे पीछे पुलिस है, तो सेल ने उसे परमिशन दे दी. Now the police will scan the cell and we will get to know the different cell organelles. Now the different parts of the cells are called cell organelles. First is the nucleus, then mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and many more, that is ribosomes and cytoplasm, vacuoles also. Now the thief is unable to work on the cytoplasm because it is very sticky, it is a fluid substance. This is the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance. Now this is the nucleus. Cytoplasm provides a surface for all the cell organelles in the animal cell. The blue color part is your cytoplasm. Now this is the nucleus. The very first cell organelle that we study is our nucleus. Now, nucleus is the control center of the cell. It decides and controls most of the functions going on in the cell. Means सारे functions आपके कौन decide कर रहा है? Nucleus, because it contains your genetic material and genetic material is your DNA. Now this is our mitochondria. Now you can see the folds, inner membrane and outer membrane. The folds are known as cristae, and the orange color space is your matrix. Now these are the sites of cellular respiration in cell. What is cellular respiration? Cellular respiration means basically जो भी respiration cell के अंदर हो रही है. Now what is respiration? आपने 7th क्लास में पढ़ा था what is breathing and respiration. So breathing में क्या था कि आप inhale and exhale out करते हो. बट जो एयर आपने इनहेल की, मतलब जो आपने ऑक्सीजन इनहेल की, वो आपके फूड को ब्रेक डाउन कर रही है. सो जब वो फूड ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है तो क्या दे रहा है आपको? एनर्जी दे रहा है. सो वो एनर्जी कौन प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है? रेस्पिरेशन के थ्रू प्रोड्यूस हो रही है. सो जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस हुई वो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में हुई, और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया कहाँ पे है? सेल में है. सो जब एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस हुई दैट इज रेस्पिरेशन. किसके अंदर हुई? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के हुई, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर हुई. एंड किस फॉर्म में हुई? दैट इज योर एटीपी. So mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cells because they release energy-rich compounds called ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. So powerhouse of the cell is your mitochondria, but energy currency is your ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Now ATP is needed for the functioning, growth and maintenance of the body. Now we will study about endoplasmic reticulum. अब तक हमने क्या क्या पढ़ लिया? न्यूक्लियस, सेल मेम्ब्रेन, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. Now we will study about endoplasmic reticulum. Now the endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane bound sheets. Now you can see there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough and smooth. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So what is endoplasmic reticulum functions? They help in transporting and exchange material between the various regions of the cytoplasm. Means जो भी मटेरियल आपका फॉर्म हुआ है, सिंथेसाइज हुआ है, वो आपका ट्रांसपोर्ट होएगा और एक्सचेंज होगा बिटवीन डिफरेंट regions of the cytoplasm. Now the endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, that is smooth and rough. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not contain any ribosomes, so it helps in lipid synthesis. Now this is the rough one. You can see the change in the structure. That is for depiction only. The rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes. These dot-like structures are your ribosomes that are the sites for protein synthesis. See, these are the lipid synthesis site. Lipids are essential components of the cell membrane. Now you can see the ribosomes over here. नाउ व्हाट दे फॉर्म्ड इज योर प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर। ये जो आपको रेड कलर की बॉल्स, ब्लू कलर की बॉल्स एंड ग्रीन कलर की बॉल्स आपको इसमें फॉर्म होती हुई दिख रही है, दैट इज बेसिकली योर प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर विच इज फॉर्म्ड बाय राइबोसोम्स, एंड राइबोसोम्स आर प्रेजेंट ओवर RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and in the cell organelle, in the cytoplasm, sorry. So basically जो आपका एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है वो लिपिड भी सिंथेसाइज कर रहा है एंड प्रोटीन भी, एंड ये ही दोनों चीज़ आपके सेल मेम्ब्रेन के स्ट्रक्चर में ज़रूरत होती है. So that's why it is known as membrane biogenesis, means endoplasmic reticulum helps in membrane biogenesis. Now, the endoplasmic reticulum has formed the proteins. Now it will go to the Golgi apparatus for packaging and modification and then transporting. Now, these vessels, these proteins reach to this side, and this side is known as cis side. Golgi apparatus are parallelly arranged stacks. You can see in the structure. So these parallelly arranged stacks contain two sides, that is cis and trans, which are basically हम इन्हें सिस्टर्ने बोलते हैं, बट एक्चुअली में इनमें जो दो फेस होते हैं दैट इज वन इज सिस जहाँ पे मॉलिक्यूल्स आएंगे, पैक होंगे, मॉडिफाई होंगे एंड देन ट्रांस साइड से वो अपनी टारगेट साइड पे मूव कर जाएंगे. सी दिस इज योर सिस साइड. The protein is processed inside the Golgi apparatus. Now this side is your trans side. सी दो दो अलग अलग आए थे बट वो मॉडिफाई होके पैक होके सारों इकट्ठे आ गए हैं. Now, we have also studied that Golgi apparatus form lysosomes. So, these organ color structure is your lysosomes. The lysosomes contains powerful digestive enzyme which are shown to you in a blue color structure. Now we have studied that lysosomes are known as suicidal bags because they can digest the own cell and digest the foreign bodies also. Now यहाँ पे अलार्म मुझे दैट मीन्स कुछ बैड हुआ है, सेल के अंदर कुछ हुआ है, सेल खराब हो गया आपको, तो सेल डैमेज है. सेल डैमेज होगा तो क्या होगा, सेल बर्स्ट करेगा एंड बर्स्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ओनली लाइसोसोम्स. Now the cell told the thief to leave the cell. Now we have studied that nucleus is the control center of the cell. So lysosomes comes to the nucleus and asking for the permission to rupture the cell. When the cell is damaged, फिर सेल डैमेज हो गया कौन से, when the cell is damaged the lysosome burst होने के लिए सेल का साइज इंक्रीज होना पड़ेगा. सेल का साइज यहाँ पे इंक्रीज हो गया. नाउ इट रिलीज इट्स डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स विच आर ब्लू कलर स्ट्रक्चर्स. सी एंजाइम्स निकल गए आपके ब्लू कलर स्ट्रक्चर्स के लिए, ब्लू कलर स्ट्रक्चर्स के. After the lysosome burst, the digestive enzymes get released. सी, अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स क्या करेंगे, सेल मेम्ब्रेन की कवरिंग पे आ गया एंड अब सेल को खाना शुरू करेंगे, ईट करेंगे एंड ईट करने से क्या होगा, सेल डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा। सी, यहाँ पे सेल बर्स्ट हो गया आपका। Hence, lysosomes are called as suicidal bags of the cell because they burst their own cell. Now, that's all for today. We have recapitulated the chapter and a worksheet will be given to you that you need to submit. That's all for today. Thank you.